Here's the KeyMod SplitRing. It's a great way to carry your keys in a pretty small, compact key ring. It's a split ring, so it'll fit on any car key or any other key, but you can add KeyMod Sticks to it, and it'll actually sort of tuck into itself and pack down really small, about the smallest key ring you can get. If you just carry a few keys, it's great for, carrying outside of the key loop. It does hold the keys really tightly. I'm pulling on it here with a good bit of force. The way they nest in and they're magnetic really keeps them in there well. I mean, you can drop them. We've dropped them from balconies before, so much higher up than this. And then just here's a quick shake test. But yeah, they're in there really securely, so they should work well for you.